Welcome to a new video. If you're new to my channel, you're mostly welcome. My name is Lyne. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. We are starting a new vlog here, and right now I'm ready. I'm going out to go and wash this hair. My hair might look clean, but it's so dirty. I've removed the braids. If you've watched my previous vlog, you've seen that. And right now I want to go and wash my hair. I am still confused. Either I should go and buy a shampoo and wash it myself at home, or I should just go to the salon and get this sorted. But anyways, I just came here to introduce the vlog, just in case you see me somewhere, you see me in a salon, you see me in a shop buying a shampoo, you're like, what's going on? So before you go any further, please make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like this video, okay, I said that already, and share this video with your loved ones, and let's go. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and do not skip the ads, darling. Don't skip the ads.
Lo siento mucho, pero me voy, porque a tu lado me di cuenta que nada soy. Y me cansé de luchar y de guerrear en vano, de estar en la línea de fuego y de meter la mano. No acepto mis errores, también soy humano. Y tú no ves que lo hago porque te amo. Pero ya no tengo más nada que hacer la que me voy, llegó la hora de partir.
Hey guys, it is few days after I did an intro and I absolutely did nothing. Anyways, how you guys doing? So we finally washed our hair. I washed my hair last night. My hair is finally washed. I went out and I bought a shampoo. Actually, I wanted to purchase I wanted to buy Dove shampoo and conditioner, but that whole it's hating me, so I bought this one. I don't know if I'm overly exposed, forgive me if I am. This is the Palm Olive Classic Aloe Vera shampoo, and this one claims to be it claims to moisturize dry hair. So since my hair was so dry, I was like, I'm gonna go for this one. And remember in my last vlog, if you watched it, I claimed that I was complaining that I don't have a comb. I went out, I bought a comb, a small comb and a big one, these two ones, and I just washed my hair. I let it air dry. I did not use any heat on it. And I don't know if I showed you guys this hair oil that I'm currently using. This is Black Shake hair food. I don't know if I showed you guys in my previous video. If not, then this is the one that I'm currently using. So I want to quickly like apply hair food on my hair. I wanted to plait my hair, but I think time is not by my side. Anyways, the reason why I'm sitting down talking to you guys, it is currently so hot, you guys. It's so hot. It is currently 15 minutes past 2, and this is my first meal of the day. I'm having a bowl of porridge. I just made porridge. I put sugar, a little bit of salt, and some milk in it. So I wanted to sit here and rant. Basically, the reason why I'm having my first meal at past 2. I haven't eaten anything since morning. So one thing I've realized, if you do follow me on my Instagram and you do view my Insta stories, I think you saw the story. If you don't, please do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is right here, and make sure that you are viewing my stories, because I'm always like sharing bits and pieces of my life day to day. And also you can follow me on Twitter as well. I'm on Twitter talking to myself with 0 followers, so you can follow me there. So the reason why I'm having, this is my first meal, as I said, like since yesterday, I feel like I just don't have appetite for anything. Like I don't have appetite. Each food that I think of is just, it's just not clicking in my mind. Like I'm not feeling hungry, I don't have appetite for anything. And I shared this on my Insta story, and someone came in my inbox and said they also experienced the same thing when it's either they're about to get their periods or during their period time. And I was like, it makes sense, it makes sense, yes, because it's that time of the month. And like you guys, I have zero appetite. Like it's past 2, I'm only forcing myself to have this porridge. Like I don't feel like eating anything. Like I don't feel like eating anything. And if you know me, if you've been following me for a while, if you watch my videos for a while, you know that me and food are like this. We're in the same WhatsApp group and we're always chatting. But lately for the past 2 days, yesterday and today, I don't feel like doing anything. So I was like, okay, it's the hormones that are doing the most. All right, so girls, like, do you have the same experience? Does this happen to you? Let me know in the comment section. I wanted to just sit here and quickly talk about this. Do you also experience the same thing when like it's almost that time of the month, or it's during that time of the month you don't feel like eating anything, you don't have appetite? Because yeah, these bodies of ours, they go through so much. And with me, like few days before my period, few days before I get my period, I usually have weird food cravings, you guys. Like I would crave all the nice foods that you can think of in this world. Like I just want to eat. I just want to eat. I eat, I'm full, I want to eat again. I eat, I'm full, I want to eat again. I know like it's almost time for my periods. And before, I used to like during my periods, I'll like eat anything, like whatever comes my way I'll eat. But for the past few months now, I think a month or 2, this is the first time, like this, I think this is the first month that I'm experiencing this, that I have zero appetite. Like I don't feel like eating anything. I'm good, like I'm good, that's it. So let me know in the comment section, girls, do you also experience this? Do you also go through the same thing? If not, how do your hormones react when it's that time of the month? Do you overeat? Don't you eat? What is your mood like? I want to know. Like I want you guys to let me know in the comment section. I love to read and know. Meanwhile, I'm gonna finish this porridge. I can't talk while eating. Meanwhile, I'm gonna finish this porridge up, sort this hair out, and go to town. I have to go and pick up a parcel, which you guys will see. Once we pick it up, I have to go and pick up a parcel in town, and then I'll be back home. Like that's all I have to do. I'm just gonna pick up a parcel, maybe just go window shopping, some few shops here and there, and then come back home. So I just came here, like let me just rant a little bit because girl, I don't feel like eating anything, you guys. So I just decided to put on Ntandio, a duku, and some sunglasses. I have my mask, my bag. I need to get going because I feel like I'm running late. I am running late. It's almost 3 and I'm not in town yet, and I'm supposed to be in town at 3.
Dale la línea de fuego y de meter la mano. Acepto mis errores, también soy humano. Tú no ves que lo hago porque te amo. Pero ya no tengo más nada que hacer la que me voy, llegó la hora de partir de mi propio camino, seguir lejos de ti.
Guys, so I'm back, and this is what we got up to. I have this package here that I went to pick up at Sunnyside. I bought potatoes because I want to cook chips my eye. I bought a cucumber. I bought this because I want to like make a flat lay with this. This is tomorrow's job, so that's why I bought this, but the rest I'm gonna eat it. And then I have myself a dragon because I have to work tonight and I want to stay awake, so I bought that. And this is the big package that we went to pick up. I'm so excited to open this. Honestly, I wouldn't sleep if I don't open this box. I'm so excited to open this, and I wanted to open with you guys. So let's get a scissor, which I don't have. Let's get a knife and open this and see what we have inside. I just opened this side and let's see what we have inside. Of course I know where the package is from, but I just wanted to do like the unboxing with you guys together. Can you peep? Can you guys see? Yo, super excited. Okay, somebody needs to help me here. I only have one hand. And you guys, look at her. Look at her. It's from Vaseline. Come here. Okay, stay there. Look at her. Look how pretty she is. Wow. See her, Vaseline. This ribbon is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. We have a note here that says, "Hi Lyne, thank you for a lovely on-air product. Please enjoy a little love from your friend at Vaseline. Thank you." Oh, you guys. Oh, I'm screaming. Oh, look at that, you guys. Wow. So we have the Vaseline Clinical Care Cracked Heel Rescue Foot Cream. Oh my god, I've never used this. I've never even seen it. And then we have the Vaseline Nourishing Argan Oil. Oh my god. And then we have Vaseline Extremely Dry Skin Rescue. Oh my god. We have the Vaseline Clinical Care Anti-Pore Rescue Moisturizing Cream. I'm screaming. And then we have Extremely Dry Skin Rescue Moisturizing Hand Cream. And it's funny, I was looking for a hand cream today. I didn't know that they put hand cream in here. Wow. Oh my god. And we have this lip care. This is cocoa butter. This is and this is the original. Oh my god. Oh my god. All of this for me. Like, I'm so emotional right now. Thank you so much, Vaseline South Africa. Thank you so much. Look at this. Look at this. I cannot wait to try all this product and show you guys. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram so that you don't miss the content that I'm gonna giving you and there is in the reviews and stuff. Thank you so much, Vaseline South Africa. I appreciate you so much. This is so nice. Thank you. And that brings us to the end of this video, sugar pies, to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so that you don't miss reviews of all these things that I receive from Vaseline. And like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video with your loved ones, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.